Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The first slide provides a clear introduction to the Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, we are addressing, which is P003A, indicating an issue with the Turbocharger Wastegate control actuator. This actuator's role is crucial because it manages the flow of exhaust gases to the turbocharger, optimizing performance and efficiency in your Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. If either the position of the actuator is not within the specified range, or if the performance of the actuator is subpar, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, logs this DTC to alert the driver. Understanding this code helps pave the way for effective troubleshooting, allowing for a systematic approach to rectify the problem and restore your vehicle's performance. DTC P003A indicates that the turbocharger wastegate control actuator position sensor output value has deviated from a specified range when the turbocharger wastegate control valve is fully closed. This deviation prompts the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to recognize an abnormality within the system, triggering the DTC. DTC P0046 is flagged when there is a discrepancy between the target position and the actual position of the turbocharger wastegate control valve. Such errors can stem from various issues within the turbocharger system, leading to diminished turbocharger performance and efficiency. The PCM continuously monitors the actuator position to ensure optimal performance, and triggering either DTC indicates the need for inspection and potential repairs. Diagnosing DTCs P003A and P0046 involves examining several probable causes. The turbocharger wastegate control actuator itself may be malfunctioning, preventing it from operating within the specified limits. Circuit connectivity issues can also lead to incorrect readings, and inspecting the wiring and connections is essential. Additionally, physical damage to components or the presence of foreign materials within the turbocharger wastegate control actuator can obstruct its operation. Lastly, the PCM itself may be at fault, particularly if all other components test within normal ranges. Understanding these potential causes assists technicians in efficiently pinpointing the root of the problem. The symptoms associated with DTCs P003A and P0046 can significantly affect vehicle performance. Drivers may notice a marked reduction in engine performance as these codes often correlate with inadequate turbocharger function. Turbo lag can become apparent, resulting in a delayed response from the accelerator pedal. The check engine light will likely illuminate, prompting a visit to a service facility for diagnosis. Additionally, abnormal combustion might increase emissions, raising environmental concerns, while overall fuel economy may suffer due to inefficient engine operation. Being aware of these symptoms can encourage timely repairs and preventive maintenance. The first step in troubleshooting DTCs P003A and P0046 begins by starting the engine of the Honda CR-V. Once the engine is running, it is crucial to hold the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load, either in park or neutral. This specific RPM range allows the system to reach operational levels necessary for testing. Continue to monitor the engine until the radiator fan engages. This engagement indicates that the thermal threshold has been met. Afterward, allow the engine to idle for 2 minutes. This entire procedure helps the technician assess the initial functionality of the turbocharger and its linked components, preparing them for the next diagnostic steps. Following the initial engine test, the next step involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to perform a functional inspection of the electric wastegate. This system allows technicians to receive real-time data and commands to assess the wastegate's functionality accurately. It is crucial to visually inspect the turbocharger wastegate control actuator for any signs of physical damage or irregularities. During this inspection, the technician should check whether the actuator is functioning correctly, ensuring it responds appropriately under operational conditions. Any abnormalities observed during this step may point directly towards malfunctioning components that require repair or replacement. In the third troubleshooting step, focus shifts to inspecting the turbocharger connector and its associated components. The technician must visually examine the turbocharger wastegate control actuator link and the turbocharger cover for foreign materials that may hinder performance. Any debris, corrosion, or structural damage at these points can severely affect the actuator's ability to function correctly. Ensuring that these components are free of external contaminants is vital for operational integrity. If all inspection items appear normal at this stage, it indicates that the turbocharger itself is functioning as it should, directing the investigation towards the actuator's internal mechanisms or associated circuits. Continuing with the diagnostic process, the technician should again select the HDS for an electric wastegate functional inspection. This hands-on approach allows for ongoing assessment of the turbocharger wastegate control actuator's performance. During this inspection, the technician should visually confirm that the actuator operates within the expected parameters. Proper operation means the actuator moves as required and communicates effectively with the PCM, maintaining its designated position. This step acts as a further verification process. If any issues are identified, it could imply an underlying problem with the turbocharger mechanisms or control circuits. The next step involves disconnecting the turbocharger connector to access the female terminals for inspection. This allows the technician to examine the connector for any signs of wear or damage that could impede function. Following visual evaluation, it is critical to verify the voltage output from the actuator position sensor. Under ignition mode, the expected output should be approximately 5.0 volts. If the voltage output is less than the specified level, it indicates potential issues with either the actuator position sensor itself or its associated wiring. Any abnormal voltage readings must be further investigated to ensure all related components are operating within their designated parameters. In the final troubleshooting step, an inspection of the powertrain control module, PCM, is warranted if all prior inspections reveal normal conditions. The PCM is crucial as it processes signals from various vehicle sensors controlling engine operations. If other inspected components, such as the turbocharger wastegate control actuator and circuit, are functioning correctly, the PCM could indeed be the root cause of the DTC being triggered. It performs regulatory functions that can significantly affect vehicle operations. Thus, if all else checks out, it confirms a deeper investigation into the PCM is needed, leading to either repairs or a possible replacement. Once all necessary repairs or replacements have been made, it is vital to verify that the repairs have resolved the issue indicated by DTCs P003 and P0046. Begin by clearing any stored DTCs from the PCM to ensure a clean slate for testing. Afterward, a thorough test drive of the Honda CR-V should be conducted, emphasizing various driving conditions that previously exhibited issues. During this driving period, closely monitor the behavior of the turbocharger and observe for any reappearance of diagnostic trouble codes. Finally, recheck for any active DTCs to confirm that the repairs are effective and that the vehicle is back to ideal service conditions. Implementing preventive maintenance practices can help avoid the recurrence of DTCs P003A and P0046 in your Honda CR-V. A regular inspection of turbocharger components is essential, including the wastegate control actuator and its related circuitry. Keeping the air cleaner maintained ensures that the engine operates efficiently by minimizing airflow obstruction. Additionally, It is prudent to regularly clear any accumulated debris from around the turbocharger and its components, as this can help prevent premature wear and functionality loss. Ensuring the integrity of the wiring and connections associated with the turbocharger system can mitigate faulty readings and improve overall performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC's P003A and P0046 is crucial for maintaining your Honda CR-V's performance. These codes signal underlying issues with the Turbocharger Wastegate control actuator and its related circuits, which can significantly impact vehicle efficiency. Conducting a thorough diagnostics process is essential for pinpoint resolution of the problem, including visual inspections and utilizing tools like the Honda Diagnostic System. Furthermore, regular preventive maintenance and timely repairs can ensure that these issues do not reoccur. Prioritizing both immediate and long-term vehicle health not only enhances performance, but also contributes to the longevity of your vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.